In the heart of 18th-century Paris, a period of intellectual and cultural flourishing unfolded, known as the Age of Enlightenment. The City of Lights became a beacon for free thought and progress, a stark contrast to the oppressive religious and political climate of the time. Voltaire, a renowned philosopher, stood at the forefront of this movement, challenging the established norms and advocating for reason and individual freedom. His works, such as Candide and Letters on the English Nation, sparked heated debates, pushing the boundaries of what was acceptable discourse. Meanwhile, in the salons of Madame de Pompadour and the Marquise de Montespan, intellectuals and aristocrats gathered to discuss the latest theories of science, philosophy, and art. Their conversations, fueled by the ideas of thinkers like Rousseau and Montesquieu, shaped the course of French thought, laying the groundwork for the French Revolution. In the realm of science, the Age of Enlightenment saw significant advancements. Jean-Jacques Rousseau published The Social Contract, questioning the legitimacy of governments and demanding the consent of the governed. This work, along with the works of Voltaire and others, ignited a passion for change that would soon engulf France. The Age of Enlightenment was not without its critics, however. The Church and the monarchy viewed these new ideas as a threat to their power and authority. King Louis XV, in particular, was wary of the Enlightenment's influence, fearing it would lead to social unrest and undermine his rule. Despite this opposition, the Age of Enlightenment in France marked a pivotal moment in history, laying the groundwork for the revolutionary spirit that would eventually lead to the French Revolution. Its impact on French society was profound, leaving a legacy that continues to shape the nation's cultural, political, and intellectual landscape to this day. In the end, the Age of Enlightenment in France served as a powerful demonstration of the human capacity for intellectual curiosity, challenging the status quo and paving the way for progress.